Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will discuss about the female condoms. So what are the brands that are available in India and what is the use, how can we actually use it basically in the females, so we can know from this video. So watch the video continuously and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This channel contains so many, more than I think 1,000+ videos which are full of free medical contents. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. So let's learn about how we insert the female condom. You can see there are two ends. One is the closed end, another is the open end. The closed end should be kept inside. And that is smaller in nature, and the larger one, which is the open end, that should be outside. So always remember, the larger one, that is the open end, that should be kept outside, and the smaller one, that is the closed end, that should be kept inside. So in this way, in the left side picture, you can see how it has been inserted inside a vagina, and after inserting, the girl can ask the boy for the sex. So in this way it is inserted and it is kept. So this slide is basically showing you the procedure. First, from the left top you can see the opening of the pack, then the female condoms, the femdoms are brought outside. Then you understand that which is the close end and which is the open end. The close end should be kept inside and the open end should be kept outside. So you must put it inside your vagina, like the girl who is showing you, and then the outside end should be kept outside, and then you may ask for the sex, and after the sex you can actually discard it in the dustbin. There are some famous female condom brands that are there in India. Basically, you remember this name Velvet, which is very common and very famous. Velvet. So it is a pack of 3 condoms and female condoms. So remember the name Velvet. Another one is also there, which is known as Angel. Basically, the full name is Cupid Angel, but Angel you can say, and it is very famous. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hit the like button and subscribe, and write down in the comment section below if you love these videos. And we have many videos in our channel, all are related with medical. If you are in first year, second year, third year MBBS student, if you are preparing for PG, please subscribe this channel.